yo abusiafo if say teacher mo nyina they teacher mo nyina through telling time yeah brain at work ti am say emrasa so say be say din komo kakra bi na ne ye wa ha am say ade amechire the thing I hate in the process of my teaching and my journey say personal attack.
Oh yeah,
personal attack there now I dislike it in my journey but me who say no edu atamsa say obi kasam bi na dia o kan no say one be chiremu a people will think that sanipa no or kan no krebi na amafo akwakodi akire
oh yeah
na enu echi no no asakofa or how fufu ede e dia bra nipa ti ye be who say no ye nuanom me am wa hai me sese dakoba I was born Christian. I worship Christianity. I was a secretary of Legion of Mary. And son of Abraham bin Moshe. I almost preachy. Ne sa tam no more ye messianic Jew.
Oh yeah.
Just almost the Jew fuechi. Still no more Jesus di.
Aye.
Tie di mo ana ye dani adena be ye ebe ye Jew for. Tie the Jew fuechi ana yesua dia ana ye be hu say no. Sana Judaism no. Judaism enye osuma no obia osenye de onko di echi Judaism ukomu akasankasa even look at the book of Isaiah. God tell the Jew that Isaiah 29:13 you say yakopon e ka kire Jew for no say he doesn't like their their religion religion no Isaiah 29:13
verse number 13
verse 13 no
na erade say esan say omani yidi won ano
my way with the umano
and a benemy and a wedding one ano fafa
and no umano fafa
and a dimini now one akuma dear
now makuma dear anyway Isaiah 29 verse 13 share nti ye be Jew after you do Judaism no say no and look at another baller and ye Judaism no ye be Noah height them so ba say no nkrofo mu boa ena me dwane jaw ye dwane jaw no ana Abraham bin Moshe common sense family leader and also dwane jaw osomo no but still nkrofo me da hwa ye they are still following that religion today. There are some people following the religion, that Judaism or whatever today. Some nkrofo no they said something oka assembly omo house of Torah, divine house of Torah members oka assembly sa assembly ye ye baba disprove ene nti Isaiah 29 verse 13
the verse number 13
verse 13 no
the Lord said
these people claim to worship me
but their words
are meaninless
and their hearts are somewhere else their religion their religion is nothing by human rules and traditions.
Into this Judaism for you. Even the God of the Jews say the religions of the Jew, Judaism, is nothing but full of human rules. Into you call the book of Deuteronomy, your friend Debbie rabbinical law. Say, oh, rabbi, bet me a shame bride, Eddie Amau, by force obey so. Into Abraham bin Moshe, where Janija Judaism, Sister Dakoba, me Janija Judaism, but ene San Crofono, aye Janija Monono. Omo peso disprove nti sanipa no waka asem ye nyina ye betie mewia na ma disprove na kasangasa topic na say Jacoba exposed divine house of Torah for telling lies. Yen koswe your friend Argentina Yusuf obi tia ana obi ni house of Torah members bia on ka chromo say omo hu abasem te yenko
Send you bush opening letter. Send the bush book no a use of 40. The book belongs to the Jewish people. Until they done a full and true book in the other Old Testament. Because Elijah will not done any. As I had done any. Ezekiel had done any. Habakkuk had done any. Only that's Israel group. Until the Tiama done any. You're pretty for young Bible. Then at chapter 1 verse 2. Oh, Bible.
What's it about?
Chapter 9 verse 10. Oh, Bible. Meaning the evidence will give one change. It is saying that your mind can not so bring the book of brain or put it afford with the Bible by it. Put it on my put it no the Bible.
On my casa say, Nukrene United, Ekuta Jew for Anamaboa, or say Nukrene United, Ekuta Jew for na anka ebe bisa se ono okasa no oye jiwni debi na onye jiwni a nukren ebi kuta no debi nti online obetina sisia okasa no okasa fa de ho. That is the first thing ye to us way
Ghana who say nti ye te Ghana ha say and me put it for the book in be say obi of Israel na of Jesus Christ na san put the wa Jesus in nanko nti ba Adam na nam so e fa ne dua en so mu nse na kokko bi ho aso mo ba hu na kokko no so mo fa dua ene be ba so e be ti nda na good insane some na no who say nti so mo so no so o be hu na kokko two those things no no be there na bo fu so no am you very smart abo fu mo de na mo so no enye ena mo de be ja yan na no but ade mo ye say Israel for no for book bi en so de ko so mo de baba dua sin na ayo mo kwa na bi kito mo me de mo shia but na ni pay na ade na ko pon ye dua sin say o si ye ko school em say ade nti ye tu class prefect em say ade nti ye class prefect with madam mo you class prefect is the classroom must be peace
we ni nyina aye rabbinical explanation we nyina yasua oko Talmud no mo a sana mo chirim say Israel for they are the prefect of the word omo ye wiase prefect na mapacho o ye wiase prefect say obetua school fees mapacho o yes class prefect so obetua school fees and na me nye class prefect no say so obetua school fees na ye dey na ye say Israel for na de so mo ye boni kra ye the punishment be mine and ye class prefect boom na say class 4 the members of the class omo ye boni and na the class prefect or Felix obe regulate class na ye the class no punishment no e dey ma class prefect no bo that abadu Bible mu de na adane dia o kan nyina eye messiah eye rabbinical teaching ba me dia che no medu na asem so a ho na be ye de yen ko ye ni me
it is so many person be every on madam and say the staff no one ma the fact class prefect so they are more school sana dey say it's yan ko ponti o ma Israel so omunya class prefect of the world no na ko na shege ko use afọ no nti onyo obi na mababa
so obinya
be come na fi beti na ko pass nti ya
so onim has or told a member bia catch the say we are live about them disproving the
Israel for but say we are pe words to papa wonti and ya ka Israel for ashe and ya ka Israel for ashe bia into it but Israel there omukro mo ni like Old Testament e didn't the Tanakh
ahakra obua you say yaka Israel for na she obi anti omunka there be ayentro so our TV our multi TV on fa to Al Jazeera all the to Al Jazeera they be these Israelites are on news every day. The Israel and Palestine, Gaza, Hamas, they are on news every day. Until say and obi anti Israel for ka obua ayono no on fan the TV station to the Al Jazeera obeti omonka aha say ye to aso oni mama nka so dey
and the two phone na ejusu tu ju ja ko wosi sia mo kesi Tanakh na Tanakh wo de ba mu ko kase no ya ka chi yes sia ne ke as chene say woman na say choice no we are seeing na the assess onipebia akan
another problem
another
problem Tanakh na okan ni Tanakh ni o say Tanakh o say asie ne say o say Tanakh asie ne say ehuma say ewiase fo nyina nya de enkan it is the book everybody of the world must read say that if that is the meaning of the word Tanakh and these Israelites and on say Israel for mo ewiase prefect and they are not doing their work. Because onagasa I want to cast them say there. You say Nyakupon Israel for as the prefect of the word, Anamabua as the prefect of the word. And Israel for no, according to my brother no, the Okasa is no. When the Bible by Africa, or say Portugal for or say Portugal for it is a Tanakh book we say a book as say a wiase for nyina enkanya a ye na Israel for man fam wiase Nti who should bring the Tanakh to Africa? It should be the Israelites, not the Portuguese. Nti onokra onim dia okan.
Oh yes.
Or say Tanakh means book which should be read by everybody in the world. So if this is the meaning of Tanakh, then the Israelites have failed the whole world because they didn't believe the book. So they have failed the world. Nti yentwazo wakasembi maybe na disproving.
Into Old Testament, you know. Person asema Israel for person country was say no woman bebre was asking so na the eka say you na akan no aye Old Testament no I don't think that is Umami akoto doctor what do you call chemistry, akiola math, core science, umami dini na babels chemistry, na be engineer, be doctor. Na that action, the ube wa okan be kono. Umami ampe on medication among pacho. Umami wa lo so eba ni. Wa be ya suji tim say your internal life and internal death. Nti so umami apasa so nyan samo. Na that action be ube wu no be kono. Umami ampe kono ko pacho.
Sound na clear.
Umami wa na. So this is such a mistake. Yes, man, you mentioned that I found I've been to Biden, open with you can. And see, Old Testament in a separate book, and cut the New Testament. What was but without the Jewish people? I did back crying. Oh, look at me.
Correct. Another problem. I say without the Jewish people, you will not see the difference in the book. So, Mepacho, if without the Jew, you not see the differences are. A Jew phone the book nearby and a Portugal for. According to Omakasa, a Portugal phone and the book nearby. It is a one channel, the minute one channel the minutes of the book. Maybe I saw Cassan be you do verse 19.
Your Torah and your open the and your catch him.
Or Cassan also, or
you're working a separate books. Now you can't book. I can't book my own and your Old Testament. Old Testament. I would call you Castle. Okay.
Only
the Torah no Genesis up to Deuteronomy.
Obua
Genesis.
Actually, I have so Obua or say Turano 18 view.
Testament. I would call you Castle.
Mountain view or say Turano a Genesis to Deuteronomy.
Torah no Ketuvim and the Torah no Genesis up to Deuteronomy. I want no Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, and Deuteronomy. I want women and
I do. I say Turane, or say Turane a Genesis to Deuteronomy with all due respect. Make us say million or Nima dear your friend Torah. Torah doesn't mean Genesis to Deuteronomy. Oko Hebrew Kasemwa, Torah a Hebrew Kasa. Ye Kasa Torah means law. Mbra. Don't urinate here. A Torah.
Oh yeah.
Bring everybody must bring 10 CDs tomorrow. A mbra will be there. And for 10 CDs, bra. It's a Torah. But ye, Mpitiasiano, Nyaku Pombo Sro, and Assassin. We embra. Sat, we embra. We embra. It's a million on him. What do you say? Torah doesn't mean Genesis to Deuteronomy. And a Jacob, Okoya Esau Nensra, and a Esau or Pesonku Jacob, and a Jacob or Joanico Mesopotamia, or Cotinana or Fabia, your friend Laban, or Tinamenche for 14 years, and a Wayejuma or Wale Rahel, Leah, Zilpha, Beleha, about Wayembra, and Yembra. Wayembra. And Brandon almost saying Yakupo catcher Israel for say, Mundi Trim Afasheno. The first month, in the first month, 14th Abib, Munku Trim Afat Shum, Trim Gino, Mundi Trim Afasheno, a Yatura. Oh, yeah. But the Omu and Yakupo catcher Moses said, catcher Pharaoh said, let my people go. I am Ra. But Pharaoh said, I will not let the Israelites go. We am Ra. I am Ra. Into a Yatura. It is a million say, Genesis to Deuteronomy, I am Ra. Obua. This is divine house of Torah. This is what they have been claiming. This is what they have been claiming that they know. Me, the Omo ye maye bida. But let me correct my brother. The Torah, the laws are found in Genesis to Deuteronomy. Yes. But because the Genesis to Deuteronomy, and when I am branded the Oboa, but their channel, the person may do be there. Punching as an idiot.
And so Baku, I mean, and they work at him.
After
you're working a separate books. Now you can't book. I can't book my own and your Old Testament. Old Testament. I would call you Castle. Okay. It's my young Torah, Ketuvim, and Nebim. The Torah no Genesis and Deuteronomy. I want no Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, and Deuteronomy. I want women and so Baku. I mean, mention of I said, okay, open some chairs.
Moti asema okan. Or say Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, and Deuteronomy. So when you throw back or ono onsum Yakupon bio. Ahana yem deno. Me say obinim house of Torah member bia. Mo catch Moses ya say ye lad about house of Torah. Yes, say enyum ne ye there. Ye tie e wo ne wura ne de ne num. Me sambo hobio.
Maybe so I said it could be a Genesis to Deuteronomy. Yes, let me go home mistake for one. Let's just say and maybe Bible. Okay. Because I want to put us 100%. Okay. Okay. Book in the past by. Okay. Person one na coupon found. You are saying na coupon for anything now. Adam, then na coupon for now you need last. Again,
Obia person.
Yes, sir. Asana abala ni sibiem.
Oso nsu Yakupon bio. Ene obeja sa Yakupon atu nche.
The Torah no Genesis and Deuteronomy. Okay. I want no Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, and Deuteronomy. Okay. I want women and so back who I mean mention Yakupon.
Say what?
I said open some chairs say.
What? Also, when you throw back or what? On some Yakupon bio. Correct.
Yes, let me go home mistake for one. Let's just say and maybe Bible.
Just so mistake or what? Book and divine. Correct.
Okay. Now, never change the book in the past by. Okay. Person one, and coupon found. You are saying, Adam.
Gronaba was starting. Tiam say, what trying to be brave, but their channel. But I say, Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, and Deuteronomy. So when you throw back or what? On ye there. On some Yakupon bio into my jetum. Ntronoswa anya baku. Become Ecclesiastes. Ecclesiastes chapter 10 verse 1. Me say one minute here page away a truth telling town. Me kasa me show be anymore. I will tell you the truth no matter your form.
Chapter
Ecclesiastes chapter 15. Sorry, Ecclesiastes chapter 10 verse 1.
Ecclesiastes chapter 10
verse 1.
The verse number 1.
Montin ye pow.
What's dead flies?
Or say dead fly. Once a dead fly
can make a whole bottle of perfume stink.
Can make the whole bottle of the perfume sing. Just a one small bakupe and a better perfume. No perfume, no idea. I say.
And a little stupidity.
And a little stupidity
can cancel out of the greatest wisdom.
Can cancel out the greatest wisdom. Stupidity kitty be. Say the meaning and say, when you mistake baku, intro bakua, on some Yakupon bio. Excellent. You said a little stupidity can cancel out the greatest wisdom.
Oh, yeah.
Order for Mam, so meaning and say when you intro bakua, on some Yakupon bio. And I'm Ezra chapter 33, verse 20.
Ezra 33:20.
Ezra 33, verse 20.
The verse number 20.
Verse 20, no.
I say, I will not let you see my face.
Yes, saying Yakupon catch Moses. He said, Moses, I God will not let you, Moses, see my face.
I say, because no one can see me.
No one can say Moses in Kwao. Or say no one can see me
and stay alive.
One can say anymore. No one can see me. Can see me and stay alive. Say wait, a book better you could
Exodus.
Into Exodus, say a chameleon nature and but when you mistake or what, also when you put on you.
Oh, yeah,
correct. Into Yakan Ezra 33, verse 20. Exodus who are chapter 24, verse 9.
Chapter
24, verse 9. Exodus wow. Exodus wow. Chapter 24, verse 9.
The verse number 9.
Verse 9.
Moses, Aaron, Nadab, Abihu, and 70 of the leaders.
And 70 leaders of Israel
went up the mountain.
They went up the mountain.
And they saw the God of Israel.
And they do what?
They saw the God of Israel.
They saw the God of Israel. They saw the God of Israel. To as well.
Also, and they saw the God of Israel.
And they saw the God of Israel.
Beneath his feet.
Beneath his feet
was what looked
They
like
saw God and now they are describing how God is.
aye.
Listen, describe God for me.
Also beneath his feet
Most video know why. Beneath the feet of God
was what looked like a pavement of sparrow,
Sapphire.
as blue as the sky.
Yes.
God did not harm these leading men of Israel.
God didn't harm these leading men. And then Yakupon say, no one shall see me and live. I say God did not hurt.
Also, God did not harm these leading men of Israel.
God did not harm these leading men of Israel. See, Obenka said the first mistake.
The first mistake.
Obenka said, "Ntro edikan."
Enter Edikan.
Many Argentina, you see, our divine house of Torah say, what mean ntro baku? Our Genesis to Deuteronomy. On so many Yakupon bio.
Aye.
Mama the first one.
Oh yeah.
Genesis 32. Men go to book there. Genesis 32, the verse number 30.
Genesis 32.
Me say, Yakupon say, no one shall see me and live and be alive.
Aye.
Obi any ho be ho Yakupon na we nyankwa. Anamabua.
Oh yeah.
And I say Moses, Aaron, Nadab, Abihu, and the 70 elders of Israel. They saw the Lord God of Israel and they are still alive. Anamabua.
Aye.
Genesis 32,
Verse 30.
verse 30.
Also, Jacob said,
Jacob said,
I have seen God face.
can you hear?
Also,
Jacob said,
I have seen God face to face.
Jacob said, I have seen God face to face.
And I am still alive.
And I am still hot.
Alive.
Obianga say entry etosu mienu.
And try to see me.
Ntro ede etosu mienu. Many Argentina who say ti me mo ntro baaku. E wo Genesis to Deuteronomy a onsu mu Yakobon bio. Yeguso. Meza man de bio. Genesis, Mount Genesis Deuteronomy 30. Deuteronomy chapter 24. Okay? The verse number 16.
Deuteronomy 24:16.
Deuteronomy chapter 24, the verse number 16.
Also, parents are not to be put to death.
Parent, mutin ye pow. I have also another try about decode another one. Or say, parents are not to be put to death
for crimes committed by their children.
Just me, sister that call me ye bonia, me benny. Say me kodi boni bia. Yenti me be sack. Na ye ku sack for the sin I have committed. To as well.
And children are not to be put to death for crimes committed by their parents.
And as me sister that call me so me kodi bonia. Yenti me be sack. Na ye kunu anamabua. To as well.
People are to be put to death.
People are to be put to death
only for crimes they themselves have committed.
Only for crimes they themselves have committed. Just a hundred say, "Wow, you're born, you know, and you won't obey. Won't me call for before for Nian for being born." All right. Exodus chapter 34, verse 7.
Exodus 34.
Million say, so what you mean? Ntro baku. Our Genesis to Deuteronomy. On so many Yakopon. This is the time. He should come and join through Telegram. Fast. TTT, brain at work.
Oh, yeah.
One country, I'm join through Telegram. Ezra 34:7.
The verse number 7.
Verse 7. No.
Also, I keep my promise.
Yes, Nanya Kupon say, I keep my promise.
I keep my promise.
Yes.
For thousands of generations.
I, God, keep my promise for thousands of generations.
And forgive evil and sin.
And I, God, forgive evil and sin.
But I will not fail.
But
I will not fail.
But I, God, will not fail
to punish children.
To punish children
and grandchildren.
And grandchildren.
To the third and fourth generation.
To the third and the fourth generation.
For the sins of their parents.
For the sins of their parents. Nyakupon say, wo papa ayebonia. Ono Nyakupon obo bonomodi so obo punish you akolano and no so wasifo to the third and the fourth generation for the sin committed by what?
Their parents.
Their parents. Moses said, children are not to suffer for the sin committed by their parents. Parents are not to suffer for the sin committed by their children. People are to be put to death only for the sin they themselves have committed. Nyakupon also said, Debbie, oh papa ye boni owu kokora still akolano o ye de o problem.
Oh yeah.
Nti I am trying to also say nyensa. Many Argentina divine house of Torah. It is not about putting cap.
Oh yeah.
And yes, what the chebesha and when you be more be da.
Oh yeah.
It is not about it. Shebu kunamu. Shishenukre. That you say. It's not about shalom. Alekem shalom. Debbie and they be that. So we mean a mistake. Our Old Testament, Genesis to Deuteronomy. Who soon go pombio? Are you good? What to challenge, Papa? You can't stand with it. You can't stand that challenge. I am trying to also say, yes, sir. You call your name. I was say Genesis the end of my can. Genesis chapter 3 verse 14. You say Yakupon catcher or one say, and son say why you were inti, you among all the creatures will walk on your belly. You will eat dust the rest of your life. And I check here, young say, and you won't want it, and I did sorry, and you won't want it, and then 19 years so. Earthworm or your reptile. Oh, yeah. Alligator or your reptile. Okay. See, the God of the Bible class, I don't know already. Only correct. Genesis chapter 6, verse 1. Genesis. The Genesis chapter 3, the Nekawa, and try to also say, and 9. That is the fourth lies in first way. Genesis 6:1. Genesis chapter 6, verse 1. Obeying Tagi house of Torah for Jacob exposed divine house of Torah for telling lies. This is the topic. Also, when the human race has spread all over the world, and daughters were being born. Some of the heavenly beings, they say Tama Nipa dos was asisono Nyanku Pomba. Some of the heavenly beings saw that these young women were beautiful. These young women born unto men, they were beautiful. So they took the ones they liked. Above for crying your feelings. Nyanku point your feelings, my Mary. Hey, above for saying your feelings. Hey, and I will say, if somebody find mistake in trouble, what's a baku? Me man a baku. Me man a baby. Oh yeah. Say the bet me good reason. So I say, what me in trouble baku? I will Genesis to tell me on your day. Also, you. Also, then the Lord said, I will not allow people to live forever. I, God, will not allow people to live forever. They are mortal. They are what? They are mortal. Also, from now, they will live no longer than 120 years. They will live no longer. They will live no longer than what? 120 years. 120 years. Yeah. Your mouth will free system. See, Mama, anyway. Nyakupo say, Afe, Nahum, ain't in any pay with debut. Afe Nipa, name Quanda Abede, 120 years. A Pamucho, more preacher be or Hampesa may each about. I mean, try say. And you show me, okay. I want women and so Baku, I mean, mention Nakupo. What is it? Say. Say me and me maybe so I say because yet okay because this okay no but some say say me and me maybe so I say because yet Genesis to Deuteronomy there's a 18 year and you show me okay I want women and so Baku I mean, what is Genesis to Deuteronomy? When you talk about what? Also, when you go Genesis to Deuteronomy, yes, let me go home mistake for one. Let's just say, and let the Bible. Okay. Because I want to go 100%. No, never change the book in the beginning, God created heaven and earth. A third person singular. Third person singular. I am not going to direct. You don't. As a main cause, you go to the Nti Yakupon say, Afe de Nehum, and Tina Nipe mu debut. Afe, Nankwanda, Nipa Nankwanda were 120 years. Oh, yeah, the pacho. Me, my grandfather, 123 or 9. My papa, 146 or 9. Oh, so I don't know what the God here is saying. Me, and say, Old Testament, Genesis to determine there. I am Yakupon and Numasem 100%. Nti yehu mistake bi omo a ayen Nyankopon the fourth 100%. Me come ni afi ye ba bisa say kasa hodo sisi ameka twi metimika French metimika English metimika ewe mimi otimika kasa bi o ha ye friend efutu obi timika Latin and the kekan sa kasa na nyina afri fa na bai mama Genesis chapter 11 verse 1 Genesis 11:1 Genesis 11:1 The verse number 1. Verse 1. Also, at first, the people of the whole world, the peoples of the whole world had only one language. They had only one language and used the same words. And they used the same word. Verse 9. The verse number 9. At first, no, we are saying Verse 9.
Also, the city was called Babylon.
The city, into almost see about so be, and almost a Yakupon or by, and over say microphone. Until the city was called what?
Babylon.
Babylon.
Because there the Lord makes up the language.
It is there that the Lord made the language
of all the people.
And
from there, he scattered them all over the earth.
So it is there that Yakupon ede, why we are so amanamai, kasa, and the ede, basa. Just at first, no more in ede. We are verse chapter 11. Genesis chapter
11.
Genesis chapter 11 and Genesis chapter 2. Then I didn't come by. Baby, sir. Whoa. Genesis chapter 11 and Genesis chapter 2. Which of them come first? 2. Genesis chapter 11 and Genesis chapter 5. Which of them come first?
Genesis chapter 5.
Genesis chapter 11 and Genesis chapter 10. Which of them come first?
Chapter 10.
Thank you. Mama, Genesis chapter 10, verse 5.
Genesis 10:5.
Genesis 10:5.
Verse number 5.
Aye.
Also, they were the ancestors of the people who lived long ago.
They say, Shem, Japheth, and Ham, they were the ancestors of the people who lived long ago.
The coast and on the island.
The coast and the island.
These are the descendants of Japheth.
These are the descendants of Japheth.
Living in their different tribes.
Living in their different tribes
and countries.
Each group
speaking its own language.
Each group speaking its own language. Into Japheth, Japheth, Nasifo, Umokasa Moka, and Anomoni Mokasa. Me say, Japheth Asifo, Umokasa, and Anomoni Mokasa. Thank you. Verse 20.
The verse number 20.
Verse 20, no.
Verses number 20.
Say, Yamon, Introbaku. Our Genesis to Deuteronomy. This is the time. Come and join through telling time. Now you're free wife. Young quite.
Also, these are the descendants of Ham.
Say you Japheth. Ham. So these are the descendants of what? Ham.
Living in their different tribes.
And countries. Each group
speaking its own language.
It is said, if the descendants of Japheth are speaking their own language, and the descendants of Ham, they are also speaking their own language. I then about Genesis chapter 11. No more at first, everybody was speaking one language. Just a Casahudo, I will hold that. And so Genesis chapter 11. True of us. True. Maybe, chapter 31. Verse 31. Genesis chapter 10. Verse 31.
Verse number 31.
Yeah.
Also, Terah took his own Abram.
Genesis chapter 11, verse 31.
Chapter 11, the verse number 31.
Yeah.
Also, Terah
took
his son Abram. His grandson Lot.
Yes.
Who was the son of Haran.
Genesis, sorry. Genesis chapter 10, verse 30. And Genesis chapter 10. I want to check you.
Okay. Verse number Genesis 10:31.
Genesis 10:31.
These are the descendants of Shem.
These say Yahweh Japheth, Yahweh Ham, Yahweh Shem. These are the descendants of Shem.
Also living in their different tribes and countries. Each group speaking its own language.
Just a Casahudo, no other dada, and Genesis chapter 11, verse 1.
Genesis chapter 11, the verse number 1.
I dare you might say Genesis chapter 10, verse 5. The descendants of Shem, the descendants of Japheth, they were speaking their own language. Genesis chapter 10, verse 5. The descendants of Ham, they are speaking their own language. The descendants of Shem, in Genesis chapter 10, verse 31, they are also speaking their own language. After Genesis chapter 11, verse 1.
At first,
the
people of the whole world, had only one language.
They have only one language.
And use the same words.
Oh, divine house of Torah. When tell me, because baby Amuji, there are mistakes there.
Oh yeah,
you refuse to quote it. Christopher, the New Testament, you were able to see the mistake in the New Testament, but the mistake in the Old Testament you did not see.
Oh, and they went.
Nyatu. Share. You ever share the Sabbath? Someone can solve Saturday. Divine house of Torah. They go to church on Saturday. They go to synagogue on Saturday. You ever check it? The entire Sabbath in the Bible. Our Deuteronomy, Ezra chapter 20, verse 11.
Exodus 20:11.
Or say, honor central baku, meme mana be brave. Ezra 20:11.
Verse 11. In 6 days.
In 6 days.
I,
the Lord,
made the earth,
the earth,
the sky,
the sea,
and everything in them. But on the 7th day, I rested.
I rested.
That is why I, the Lord, blessed the Sabbath, and made it holy.
And creation. I made the earth, the sky, the sea, and everything in them. That is why a complementary about complete DB. That is why I don't have money. That is why I didn't buy the car. Why don't you buy the car? Because I don't have money. I create the earth, the sky, the sea, and all the things in them. That is why I bless the Sabbath. So why did God bless the Sabbath? Because he created the earth, the sky, and the sea.
Oh yeah.
Correct. After Deuteronomy chapter 5, verse 15. I had the same embrace now. I had the same 10 commandments now. 10 commandments no contradiction. 10 commandments no contradiction. Original social media say yema yecheo ntro baku e Genesis to Deuteronomy. Onsumu nyakopon bio. You don't know what you are saying.
Deuteronomy chapter 5.
Yes.
The verse number 16.
Verse 15.
Verses number 15.
Verse 15.
Also remember that you were slaves in Egypt. And that I, the Lord your God, rescued you by my great power and strength. That is why I command you to observe the Sabbath.
According to Deuteronomy chapter 5, verse 15. I didn't tell you or say Israel found the Humeda.
Oh, you were free Egypt.
I are going to know when you were free Egypt. Instead of the Humeda at the moment.
Oh, yeah.
According to Exodus, I didn't hear.
Oh, Mamena.
I creation. One Sabbath, the God doesn't know why he's giving it to the Israelites. And now, Mumu Ghana, some more the Humeda. Say your children throw back. I was Genesis to Deuteronomy. Oh, soon I go from you. Hey, I run battle. You don't know what you are saying. Say, and obediently Israel phone can be. When I catch up, for TV to Al Jazeera, they are in news every day. According to Ezra chapter 20, verse 11, Matthew chapter 7. According to Genesis, Ezra chapter 20, verse 11, the God of the Bible give the Sabbath to the Israelites because of creation. In Deuteronomy chapter 5, verse 15, the God of the Bible give the Sabbath to the Israelites because of their journey. Wait, and drop. Any contradiction.
I'm contradicting.
Any contradiction. Contradiction in the Torah. House of Torah. Man, Johnny Jaman Kabayemia. These people can find mistake in the New Testament. They can't find mistake in Genesis to Deuteronomy. Tiasema Yesu beka chiromo. And remember Yesu fans kakra. Matthew chapter 7 verse 1.
Matthew 7:1.
Matthew 7:1.
Also, do not judge others.
Oh, Kachino. Ahani ede. I have ede. Chino. Matthew chapter 7 verse 1. Hey, you can see mistake in the Christian book. You can see mistake in the Jewish book. You are a hypocrite. Oh, you're a hypocrite. I didn't meet you, my babu. What did I say? I didn't meet you.
Matthew 7:1.
Matthew 7:1.
Awesome water.
Yes, to say, oh, yeah, divine house of Turenia. And book it to Fuaten.
Now I'm Martin.
Na Abanasa, through telling them, sister Dacoba, Mesumabuaten.
Na Atakwa Mubono.
Na Atenqua said the whole contradiction in the New Testament.
What the baby?
Sana Mesumabana Kotu contradiction in the Old Testament.
Now at the crown would this soon
said the host of Suma Christo Pona say, Onja used to Chibino.
What the best so am
Sana Mr. Catch the more divine house of Tura Pona say, also the Monja Sanya Kupona Chidi. Just wait.
Oh, Sena Aden, worship Bia, our
divine house of Torah. And you didn't want to mistake in the New Testament.
Now, I want so impunity.
Now, one can say, Torah, Genesis to Deuteronomy, who mistake be our home. To as well,
you. Also, and I say, Abadan,
and I'm Pussy, Abadan.
Now, back at you when you say,
no divine house of Torah for Muba Catcher, Christo Fone say,
Mammy, you are no inferior.
Mama make chemo contradict, make chemo mistake. ma mo nkyerɛ mo mistake ɛwɔ mo New Testament na mo
na hwɛ mpuna wo weni so
na wo akasa wo Old Testament Genesis to Deuteronomy ne de ɛyɛ timber ɛna da hɔ nyatwuni sanka no bi o ma me last quotation
Awesome matter.
Oh yeah, divine has authority. Oh yeah, Jew ni. Oh the Jew of which oh she chewa ha. Oh yeah, bien. Yes, men what men go to contradiction in the New Testament.
Now when matter.
Now what to go to contradiction in the New Testament? Says that Jacob through telling them men so me go to contradiction in the New Testament in the Old Testament.
Nothing kwa mbuono.
Say they all go to contradiction in the New Testament no.
What the Bible
say na me so me go to contradiction in the Old Testament.
Na ade kwa mudu susu no.
Na say they all catch Christopher so ma yira no.
What the best susu mo.
Say na me so me catch o say o so why dem wa yira.
Na ade na wotwa dia ewo wuni eni so.
Na eye na wotimi ho contradiction in the New Testament.
Na wala wani su
na wan ka sa wo Genesis to Deuteronomy na de.
Wunu
o hu hwe. Anampo say
ebe na oba catch wuni say.
Ebe ye de na wa catch Christo ni say.
Ma me dia no if you.
Christopher mo yira nti bra na ba hwe and the right way.
Na hwe mpuna wo weni so.
Na wo wan ka sa wa yira for thousands of years ago.
Nyatwuni.
Ai. Abusua no. You be see her. Nti ma obi nda Adam say Genesis to Deuteronomy there. Or say Genesis to Deuteronomy aye Torah. First mistake. Genesis to Deuteronomy onye Torah. Onsan bisa na rabbis ni ye. Your Rabbi Mizraki, Moshe Perez, your Rabbi Gamaliel, your Rabbi Moshe Nachman. Omo da ho bebre.
Oh yeah.
On pep Rabbi bi. Non bisa no. Ana on bisa na Gabai, Jet Li. On bisa Jet Li say ye ka se Torah aye Genesis to Deuteronomy. Aye sana Jet Li ba ka china say debi enti sa. Ye ka se Torah means law. And Torah aye mbra aye Torah. Nti me no and the first mistake na why no.
Oh yeah.
Osan say Israel for ne ene yentiomonka we don't hear about them. Obua we hear about them on Fane TV into Al Jazeera. Every day Israel, Palestine, Gaza, Hamas, they are in news all the days. Nti say yenti Israel for nka obua. After say Torah no sorry. Or say yeka say Tanak chese woman or say obianya de enkan say tisa and Israel for me diwiambo. And the Israel for me diwiase because if the Tanakh is the book everybody must read that, why these Israelites are not bringing the Bible? Why are they not teaching the Bible? They allow the Portuguese to bring it. They had to bring the book, not the Portuguese. Right, I said, not the Portuguese. After some of the can say, so what me trying to intro baku. I was Genesis to Deuteronomy. On so many Yakupon bio. Intro about Bachelor no. Me man baku. Bachelor about 6. Ante. Madam Munina say. Madam Munina say. You remember? Yeah, through telling them brain at work. Through telling them brain at work. Madam Munina say. Peace unto you all. Shalom. Pe. Nega dogo. Bye bye.